Hi, my name is Nicola. I'm the baker from the bakery Limerick, and I got here in Nature's Hand the water system, and this water filter is just tremendously genius. I love it. It makes such a difference to my bread baking. The dough is smoother, the dough rises better, and consequently people have a much nicer bread. And on top of it, I love it so I can have my daily cup of tea without having to buy any water, because the taste makes such a difference. I drink black tea, so I really can see, as in taste, the difference. Every so often my husband forgets to filter the water, and straight away I know, here, this is not filtered. And that makes the difference. I am really very, very happy with it. Thank you.